Hello everyone! Is your car stuck in one gear shifting roughly or going into limp mode? If your OBD-II scanner shows code P0772 Shift Solenoid E Stuck On, it means your transmission is struggling due to a solenoid failure. Ignoring this can cause severe transmission damage and costly repairs. In this video, I'll explain what P0772 means, its symptoms, and most importantly, where to locate the key sensors and components to fix it. Let's get started. What is P0772? The P0772 trouble code indicates that the Shift Solenoid E is stuck in the on position, which means the transmission may be stuck in a single gear or shift incorrectly. Symptoms of this issue include harsh, delayed, or erratic shifting, stuck in a single gear, also known as limp mode, transmission slipping or failing to engage, check engine light and transmission, warning light on, reduced fuel efficiency, and possible overheating. If you're facing these problems, let's find out where the problem is located. To diagnose P0772, focus on these key components. Shift Solenoid E. Location: inside the transmission valve body, under the transmission fluid pan. Function: controls hydraulic pressure for shifting gears. Transmission fluid pressure sensor. Location: mounted on the transmission case near the valve body. Function: measures transmission fluid pressure to regulate gear shifts. Transmission input speed sensor. Location: attached to the transmission housing near the input shaft. Function: monitors the input shaft speed to ensure smooth shifting. Transmission control module or powertrain control module. Location: typically found in the engine bay, near the firewall, or under the dashboard. Function: sends electrical signals to control the shift solenoids, wiring and connectors, runs between the solenoids, sensors, and PCM-TCM. Function: transfers electrical signals. Damaged wiring can cause solenoid failure. Common causes of P0772, faulty shift solenoid E. The solenoid may be stuck, clogged, or have an internal electrical failure. Dirty or low transmission fluid. Contaminated fluid can block solenoids, leading to shifting issues. Wiring or connector issues. Corroded, frayed, or loose wires can prevent proper electrical function. Faulty transmission fluid pressure sensor. Incorrect readings can cause improper shifting. PCM-TCM software issues. Malfunctions or outdated programming can disrupt transmission operation. Internal transmission damage. Worn clutch packs or a damaged valve body can trigger this code. How to fix P0772? Step 1. Check transmission fluid. Ensure it's clean and at the correct level. Step 2. Inspect Shift Solenoid E. Use a multimeter to test resistance and function. Step 3. Examine the transmission fluid pressure sensor. Compare readings to factory specs. Step 4. Inspect all wiring and connectors. Look for corrosion, loose connections, or damage. Step 5. Test the input speed sensor. Ensure it's providing accurate data. Step 6. Scan for PCM-TCM errors. Update or reprogram if necessary. Step 7. Clear the code and test drive. Use an OBD-II scanner to reset the code and check if the issue persists. A malfunctioning Shift Solenoid E can cause serious transmission shifting issues, so fixing P0772 early can prevent expensive repairs. Always check your transmission fluid, sensors, and wiring to keep your car running smoothly. For more car repair tips, check out these videos next. P0410 secondary air injection system malfunction. P0411 secondary air injection system incorrect flow detected. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for expert car diagnostics.